Oh God.
You look ridiculous.
You look a little insane yourself.
Kidding.
You look like a cat man. Like the cat lady, but you're the cat man.
Kidding.
He looks like he doesn't like it either. He doesn't like the sweater that you're wearing either.
Look at that mom from the Goldbergs.
I have so much.
You're shedding all over the van.
Oh my gosh.
Oh no.
Well,
We stopped by a Goodwill and decided to get each other a surprise holiday sweater to wear this weekend. For what? I don't know.
this
Fun.
is for funsies.
It's warm. I'm super warm in this thing. I literally might have to just wear this all weekend.
You have to wear. That's the rules that we have to wear while we're out and about. We even stopped and got gas with it on, and
People are giving us thumbs up and stuff and driving down the road.
Yeah.
I love this.
People love it. So maybe this is a good thing that came from this.
It was fun.
It was a lot of fun.
I've never owned a holiday sweater in my entire life.
I have never. Oh God, I have on a holiday vest when I was really little, and it was horrible.
Yeah, I think being a kid's a bit different because you didn't have a choice. But as an adult, I've never owned a holiday sweater.
Yeah. So
I kind of like it.
we feel a little out there.
Kind of like it.
I kind of like it too.
You make me nervous. I think I might be hooked on you. All of the things you said to me, it seems like you like me too. We can take it slow, make sure we do this right. Canceled all my plans to be with you tonight. So just sit with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go, come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be. You make me anxious. I think I might be stuck on you. I love the things you did for me. It seems like you're dropping clues. There's no need to rush, so let's just take our time.
We are, I don't know. We pulled off the side of the highway somewhere to do a little hike to see if we can see the ocean a bit. And it's stormy out there. It's awesome.
The water is just pure, just white.
Yeah.
Which is cool.
So we're going to keep walking up this trail. One of us stayed true to the day.
Excuse me.
And one of us is covering up a little bit.
I am not.
I don't know.
One of us can stay drier.
Yeah, I'm getting kind of wet. It's not raining, but it's misty and the trees are dripping lots of water. So I should have brought my rain jacket.
Wow. This must have been where that field was going. Oh, no.
What?
That It's like, psh, down. Please do not.
Whoa, it is right there. Whoa. It is getting rough out here. The camera's getting a bit soaked. I think we may have to put it away for a little bit. The lens is getting all wet, so.
Head back.
Well, yeah, we may at least put it back in the backpack and explore a bit more. It's awesome and stormy out here in November in the Oregon coast. Woo! Okay, we're back in the van. We're soaked. I did have to cheat a little bit. I had to take off my sweater. It's pretty wet. I didn't wear the rain jacket at all, so.
It didn't repel.
No,
It
we're gonna let it
absorbed
dry
every
for a bit,
drop.
but it will be back. I will wear it again.
Hello, bud.
What do you think, babe?
Freaking cool! Wow!
We found a way down to the beach. I don't know what beach this is, but you can tell high tide wasn't too long ago or something because it is soaked up here.
Yeah.
It's gorgeous. There's branches everywhere. There must have been a big storm washing all this deadfall up. But the rain kind of let up, so it's beautiful out. We're going to go explore the beach a little bit.
This comparison, calming misty, mysterious.
Okay, so we have to go find camp now. It gets dark on the coast here probably around 5 o'clock.
Yeah.
It's 3:30 or so, and we have no idea where we're going to camp. It's almost impossible to disperse camp at the beach around here. Everything's private property and gated up, so we're going to head back up 101 out to 299 and try and find something out there.
I'm sure we'll find something. Yeah, we'll find something.
Oh, we'll sleep somewhere.
It's not going to be like picture perfect, but we'll find somewhere to sleep.
Most likely won't have an ocean view, but we've had a good day at the ocean now, so
Yeah.
let's get on the road and find some camp. We're still driving down this dirt road here. Nancy's crushing it. A little uncomfortable, but she's doing a great job, and we're trying to find somewhere to camp. Not sure this actually goes anywhere or not. We have to turn back around. We've seen no pullouts at all anywhere, just a road up the hill.
Big deep, baby. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God.
Good job, man.
Oh God. Oh God.
What's wrong, babe?
I'm highly uncomfortable.
Just the road?
Well, it's getting dark. I
Yeah.
can't see very well at night anyways, even on a regular road. But also, there's like nothing on one side except for trees.
Yeah.
I'm just going straight up, and there's like nothing out here.
You're doing a great job. I think it's kind of stuff you got to get used to. And whenever you want me to drive, I can do it. I can drive right now if you want.
Oh, I'm not gonna.
All right.
I'm gonna go one more little, and then if I
Okay.
don't,
Good.
I'll stop if I get uncomfortable.
Okay. Whoa!
Sorry.
What happened?
There's a giant bump. There's a big puddle right here, and I'm scared. Okay, that was nothing. Oh, it scared the shit out of me.
Okay, so we're gonna call this road a bust. It's 5 o'clock now, and we finally found a spot to turn around. And it just climbs and climbs. There's not one side road yet, so we're unfortunate to head back down the highway, which is a long ways away, and then maybe head up the road some more, find some more Forest Service roads, and
I feel like it's
get
gonna
somewhere.
be one of those times where we just finally end up just saying, "What the heck," and just pulling over somewhere.
it might be. So
That's okay.
well, let's get back on the road.
Visibility. Eh.
Just enough. Bump.
Oh, bump. Oh. Just enough. Yes. Do I wish we had more? Oh God. Oh God. Oh. Crap.
This is how you find the best campsites, right? We'll see about that.
Having flashbacks of the California trip where we kept getting detoured. A video of ours a couple back, about a year ago. Yeah, I'm gonna say we need to do headlights, babe. Every time he turns them on regular, oh man, it looks like we have no lights on. Shit. So yeah.
So we're on a different gravel road just outside of Lincoln City. It's open at least, which is good, and hoping there's gonna be a spot up here in a few miles maybe. There was an overlander site out here I saw before, but I don't know much about it. It's dark, I can't see it much, so
Yeah.
find out.
And if this doesn't pan out,
We're just gonna sleep on this dirt road somewhere here.
yeah. Big drainage. Can you get up it? Oh man, that's like a, I don't know if you can tell. It's deep.
This is what we're kind of looking at. I don't know. This is pretty deep right here. It goes up to somewhere we don't know. I don't know.
Here we go. And oh God. Woo!
Go
Oh, God.
two-wheel drive Westy.
Oh God. I may have crapped my pants. At this point, I've seen too many TV shows.
Looks like it just ends right there.
Does it?
Yeah, we'll pull down a little bit. It's big enough to turn around. So,
Watching all those shows with our girls is not helping me drive down things like this. Okay. Okay. Okay, there's a lot of trash right there.
We can't pick all the trash up, but we sure can.
Do you want to back in?
Well, I'm just gonna
We're
spin.
gonna have to, yeah.
We found somewhere to sleep tonight. This is, it's dark out. We really can't see what's going on, but it looks like kind of a shooting range.
Party
Spot. Lots of garbage on the floor, on the ground out there.
I'm afraid to wake up in the morning because it's going to be horrible and I can't pick it all up.
Yeah,
so
we'll
much
pick up
trash.
what we can tomorrow, but this would be probably you need a pickup truck to do this. So
Yeah.
It's
been a long day.
It's sad to see this kind of stuff happen out here, but we're tired right now. It's, I don't know what time it is, 6 or 7 or midnight or whatever. We have a super simple dinner. We're gonna grab some beers and chill out. We're not gonna be outside the van tonight.
My nerves are too rattled.
Nancy's pretty shot from driving the dirt roads in the dark, and she did an awesome job out there, allowed me to do some filming, so.
I didn't have a choice.
Yeah.
It was either drive or just sit in the middle of the road.
And most importantly, Mr. Kitty's back. Still a little bit wet, but I'm gonna dry this thing out, and Nancy is shedding all over the van still, so.
It's horrible.
Let's grab a beer.
Okay.
We ate some quick dinner. We're drinking some beers, watching some Seinfeld on the tablet, and we're gonna call this a night. So we'll see you guys in the morning.
Let's bury the hatchet. We smoke 'em peace pie.
Well, we're gonna get out of here. We're trying to do the best we can and clean up some of this mess. We found they had left a bucket, so we'll kind of fill that up a little bit. We don't have very big trash bags. We need to probably keep some bigger ones in the van.
And some gloves, because we don't have gloves either. We have one glove.
Yeah, to clean up stuff like this. So we're not going to make much of an impact, but we'll do the best we can. Thanks so much for watching along this video. We had a fantastic adventure at the Oregon coast. Drove some crazy roads. Had a blast at the beach and stuff. So
It was a good trip.
It was a great trip. So we'll see you guys next time.
Bye, guys.
So that's what we picked up in what?
5 minutes?
Yeah, 5 minutes or so.
One glove?
Oh, it's terrible. It's definitely better than it was.
Yeah.
Not great still. It would take more bags and maybe a rake and some shovel to get out some of the glass, but
We took all the big stuff that won't break down. So sometimes there's like a little bit of cardboard and stuff, but that will break down over time. The stuff that we knew that wouldn't break down, we definitely picked up.
so now put this somewhere where it belongs.
Talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think